All right, David, thank you very much. Now to a story that is making national headlines. After 8 hours of deliberations, workers at the Texas County Jail where Sandra Bland died over the summer will not face any charges.
But the Waller County grand jury says it will still consider charges against the DPS trooper that arrested Bland. The 28-year-old woman was pulled over for a traffic stop back in July. Dash camera video showed their interaction quickly became confrontational, and she was eventually arrested for assault. Now, 3 days later, Bland was found dead in her jail cell. Investigators ruled it a suicide, but Bland's family is questioning that ruling. They also claim the grand jury system in Texas is flawed and testimony should be open for the public to hear. Here's what the family and their attorney said just before the grand jury announcement.
We don't have an opportunity to question witnesses. We do not have any opportunity to submit evidence.
We feel that the grand jury process and the secretiveness of it is reflective of our experience with Waller County officials to date in terms of what has been furnished to us, what is what is so imperative for us to know is what's included in the Texas Rangers report, which is the law enforcement entity that is supposed to be investigating this in-custody death.
And late last night, prosecutors also responded defending the process.
This is a very serious process, and you know, I'm not trying to be coy, but I'm trying to protect the process. And so I'm just trying to maintain the integrity of the process, because as you can see, even while the process was going on, people were saying they were having faith and had no idea what we were doing. So I'm just trying to make sure we stay above board.
And this case isn't over yet. Next month, the grand jury will meet again to consider whether the trooper that arrested Bland should face any charges. Bland's mother also filed a wrongful death lawsuit in federal court in Houston against the trooper, the Texas Department of Public Safety, Waller County, and 2 jail employees. State lawyers have asked the judge to dismiss the lawsuit, but a judge has set the trial for that case in January 2017. Family attorneys claim that jailers should have checked on her more frequently and that the county should have performed mental evaluations once she disclosed that she did have a history of attempting suicide.